Hey guys, as you can see, some time has passed since I put the mailbox in the ground, and that's a little bit by design. See, up here in the frozen north, by the way, I believe it's about 6 degrees right now. It was -20 yesterday, so it's actually a heat wave. But up here we have a concern about snowplows taking out your mailboxes. And it's not so much the snowplow itself hits your mailbox, because there's nothing that's going to stop that from destroying it. You're just out of luck at that point. The concern is more about the bow wave that's created by the snowplow throwing this wave of snow that ends up taking out your mailbox. And that happens when a standard style snowplow is coming down the road plowing it at a high rate of speed. I live out here on this desolate stretch of nothingness, and I've never seen one of those snowplows here. I have only ever seen a road grader, you know, the 30-ton monster earth mover road graders plow this road, and this is the 3rd winter that I've been here. So if you live here, normally you have to have a type of mailbox that actually swings out of the way to keep you from having to replace your mailbox 3 or 4 times a winter. That's not a concern here for me, so I went with the stout design. This is made out of white oak, which is kind of rot resistant. It should last for a long time. Not my usual style of video. I figured there wasn't a lot of explaining to do, so I didn't take the time to explain. I just showed you the process. A few things I will point out. I did finish the post with Thompson's water seal because it's pretty durable, and I'll do that once every other year probably. I'll come and put a new coat on it. I did fill some of the knots and the voids that you probably saw with some epoxy just to keep water from being able to get inside and rot it from the inside out, so that'll make it last a little bit longer. I was really impressed with that 2-part foam post stabilizing compound. Instead of mixing a bag of concrete and dumping it in there and waiting an hour or 2 or more for it to harden, I mixed that stuff up and I pulled those posts away, and no kidding, 5 minutes I was done. Really impressed with it. Link below if you need some for yourself, but I will say 1 bag is cheap. If you had 100 posts to set, it's just too much money. A bag of concrete is gonna be cheaper, but for convenience on a small project like this, huge fan of it. Lastly, what do you guys think of my laser design on the side of the mailbox? I'm pretty happy with it. I've got that large format laser in the shop now, and I thought, what else can I do to make a mailbox interesting? So I whipped up a design, and I'm really happy with the quality of how well it lasered the paint back off of this galvanized steel. And yeah, I like that a lot. What do you think? Is there a market for people having custom lasered mailboxes out there? If you guys need one, get a hold of me. Maybe we can try to work something out. But that's it. It's too cold to keep standing here and jabbering anymore, so I'm going inside, and we'll see you next time.